This is something you could not do in Monday.com before. You can now take a formula result and push it into another column using automations. Previously, formulas were pretty limited. You could calculate values, but you couldn't really use those outputs anywhere else. That has now changed. Let me show you how this works. I'm here inside a CRM board, but this applies across any product as long as you have access to the new automation builder. One quick way to tell is if your automation icon looks like this, not colored. Then you're likely on the new version. Now, one thing to note, you can't use a formula column as a trigger directly, so you won't see something like when formula column changes. But that's not really an issue because formula columns are always based on another column. So instead, you can use that column as your trigger. For an example, if your formula column depends on a person column, you can now trigger the automation that when the person column changes. Then from there, you can push the formula results into another column. So here's how to set that up. You can start with your trigger, for example, when a person column changes. Then for the action, you select Change Column Value. Next, you choose your destination column. This is where the formula result is going to be stored. Now here's the key step. Instead of selecting a static value, you click into the column options, go to Item Columns, and select your formula column. That's what allows you to cast the formula results into a usable field. Now, in terms of what columns this work with, right now it supports things like text columns, email columns, phone columns, as long as it's just numbers, and long text columns. Number columns are not supported yet, so keep that in mind when you're designing your setup. Now, let's look at this in action. I've set up a few example formula columns here. One that pulls the email from the person, one for the phone number, and one that extracts the email domain. When I assign a person, those formula columns populate automatically. And then the automation runs and pushes those values into their respective columns. So now instead of seeing the formula, you actually have usable data inside standard columns. And that's where this becomes powerful, because now you could take formula outputs and use them across your system, in automations, in integrations, and in reporting, where previously you couldn't. So while this might seem like a small update, it actually opens up a lot more flexibility into how you design your workflows. If you're building more advanced systems in Monday.com, this is definitely something worth using. And if you want more breakdowns like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel with the link below. Thanks for watching.